Hey guys, it's Emily. I've got another book haul for you this week. This is a continuation of the marketplace haul I shared with you last week with a whole bunch of ornithology and animal books. So this week I thought I would show you the collection of folders that was also in that lot. It's a collection of 9 of these magazine folders, as well as a folder of all of these different types of pictures of illustrations and also the magazine covers in a separate folder. So this appears to be the complete set. The covers are a little bit damaged, but the magazines are perfectly fine inside and it's a complete set. So this is something I still have to look up on eBay to see kind of the value of it, but I think I might find it a little bit difficult to cut into for journals because it's a complete set and they're just really beautiful images in the magazine and it's a pretty unique item. So I might actually just keep this in my personal collection. That's something that I'm still deciding on. I hope you enjoy this little flip through today of these magazine folders. I'll go through them pretty quickly just because there are a lot of them and they're pretty much all the same except the birds are different. So the folders that they come in are actually pretty well reinforced. They're a bit dusty as you can see, but they are made for these types of magazines and they would have come with the collection at the time. So inside all of these magazines, it's like a huge different array of every type of bird you could probably think of. And as well as maps and photographs, there are also different types of illustrations. So I'm pretty sure that you would be able to find any bird that you were kind of thinking of. Oh, that was a cute stamp there. New Zealand postage stamp with that type of bird on it. And I think they could be birds of the world by the looks. Well, yeah, of course. The collection is called Birds of the World, so there'd be a huge different array of beautiful illustrations in here to cut out if that's the way that I'm going to go. And there's a different collection of large images, small images, all different sizes, which is good. Oh, that's a beautiful page, isn't it? Beautiful tropical birds. Hummingbirds. They're gorgeous. Oh, eggs, I really like those. So if you received a collection like this, what do you think you would do? Would you cut these magazines up or would you want to keep them? I do love birds, but I'm not really sure if I'm into the technical side of birds and if I'm this much of a bird freak, but I can definitely appreciate them, and I do love kind of old books and being able to preserve them and hold on to any special ones that I find. And this is a pretty special collection. I think it would be very rare to find something like this in op shops because it's a complete set. It's something that's clearly been collected over the years as each magazine's been released. So I think not many people would want to give up their collection that they've spent so much time and money collecting. So that's why I think it would be a good idea to hold on to this and keep it for a little bit longer rather than cutting it all up. Also, I've got that many bird photos and illustrations now. I feel like it might be a waste to cut up these beautiful magazines when I can just use any other bird picture really. I would like to spend some time going through them a bit more closely. There's clearly a lot of good information in here. But when I saw these, my intention wasn't to on-sell them, it was kind of to keep them in my own collection and flip through them when I feel like having a read and gaining some knowledge on birds, finding out about the different types around the world. I think that would be really interesting. And along with the magazine collection folders, it also came with a wooden holder that is the perfect size for these. So it stands upright and it's just like a little wooden housing shelf that they fit perfectly on. Not sure if I'll keep that. I might just stack them up in my bookshelf. Bird skeletons. Oh yeah, you can see here in the middle, that's where the wire kind of spine is that holds the magazines in place. So it preserves them. The thing about these is I'm not sure if there's an index on them, because if you're trying to find a specific bird, you don't want to have to go through every single binder just to find what you're looking for. So I'm hoping there's some type of index. This one is the last folder, which is volume 7. Oh, that was such a cute bird there. How tiny is it? Very cute. So many different types of birds in this world. It'd be really nice to kind of get a better understanding of them. Gorgeous blue wrens. That's my all-time favourite bird. It's amazing how many different species and varieties of birds there are actually. So many that we don't know about. Alright, so this is the Gallery of Birds folder. And in here, it's broken, but that's okay. This is just a magazine clipping for great bird artists. So that's pretty interesting. And here we've got the illustrations which were in the magazines, and they're double-sided. So I'll just go through a couple of these. Well, that one's interesting. That one's got a bit of red dye on it. So these are just beautiful, really beautiful illustrations. Okay, oh, here we go. Is this the index? No, it's just the front cover. So it doesn't look like it's got an index that I can find, but there are all of these covers. And on the covers, does it tell you what type of birds are in the magazines? Not that I can see. Yeah, maybe if I keep looking closely, I might be able to find an index somewhere, maybe in the first volume. I'll have to relook at the first volume. But here's all of the magazine covers. So obviously the point of the collection was to remove the magazine covers and the illustrations and then just file the magazines in their separate folders. So you would think that there is an index somewhere along the lines. So yeah, that is one other part of the collection that I wanted to show you from my marketplace haul. I've still got many more books to share with you, so stay tuned over the next couple of weeks and we'll go through those as well. I hope you've enjoyed this video and mini haul today, and take care everyone. Bye!